Hello everyone. Now we'll look into different types of binary trees such as strictly binary tree, complete binary tree, almost complete binary tree, binary search tree, threaded binary tree and expression tree. Coming to strictly binary tree, this is how we can define it. If every non-leaf node in a binary tree has non-empty left and right subtrees, then the tree is termed as strictly binary tree. In the first figure, B, D, F and G are the leaf nodes, A, C and E are the non-leaf nodes. You can observe each of the non-leaf node is having both left and right subtree. A is having both left and right subtree, C is having both left and right subtree and E is having both left and right subtree. That's why we can say that first figure is a strictly binary tree. Coming to the second figure, A, C and D are the non-leaf nodes. Again, each of these non-leaf node is having both left and right subtree. That's why we can say that second figure is also a strictly binary tree. Coming to the definition of complete binary tree, a complete binary tree of depth D is a strictly binary tree, all of whose leaves are at level D. You can see in this example, here is a complete binary tree of depth 3 where all the leaves you are finding at depth 3. Coming to almost complete binary tree, a binary tree of depth D is an almost complete binary tree if any node ND at level less than D minus 1 has 2 children. Total number of nodes at level D may be equal to 2 to the power of D, and if the total number of nodes at level D is less than 2 to the power of D, then the node should be present only from left to right. So what this definition means is, say consider the first example. We'll analyze whether this diagram is an almost complete binary tree or not. See here, the depth of the first binary tree, it is 3, right? And the nodes which are at level less than 2, D minus 1 means it is 3 minus 1, 2, less than 2, the level, that is level 0 and level 1. The nodes which are at level 0 and level 1, they should be having both left and right child. It is true for the first figure. A is having left child as B, right child as C, and B is having both left and right child and C is having both left and right child. Coming to the second point in the definition, total number of nodes at level D may be equal to 2 to the power of D. What is the depth of the first binary tree? It is 3. 2 to the power of 3 means it is 8. Total number of nodes at the last level must be 8. But in this case, it is not 8, it is less than 8. If it is less than 8, then the nodes are to be filled from left to right. So first we have to fill the left child for node D, then right child, and if next node is to be inserted, then it is to be inserted as the left child for node E. Right? This is how we need to fill the nodes in the last level. Then only we say that it is an almost complete binary tree. First diagram is an almost complete binary tree. Coming to the second diagram, we'll check out whether it is an almost complete binary tree or not. So the nodes at level 0 and level 1 are having both left and right subtree. It is true. And the last level is not having 8 nodes, but it is less than 8. And the nodes are filled from left to right. D is having left and right subtree, E is having left child. So both the examples given, they are almost complete binary trees. So now try to examine whether the following diagrams are strictly binary tree and almost complete binary trees or not. Coming to the first figure, you can see the non-leaf nodes. A is a non-leaf node, it is having both left and right subtree. B is having both left and right subtree. C is having both left and right subtree. F is having both left and right subtree, and D is having both left and right subtree. Then the first diagram is a strictly binary tree. Is it an almost complete binary tree? The nodes at level less than D minus 1, that is at level 0 and level 1, they are having both left and right subtree, it is fine. But if the last level is having the nodes less than 8, if it is so, you know that nodes are to be filled from left to right. So D is having both left and right child, but without filling E, left and right child for E. Here you are seeing the nodes for F, that is left and right child for F. That's why this first figure is not an almost complete binary tree. Coming to the second figure, again here the non-leaf nodes are having both left and right subtrees. A is having both left and right subtree, B is having both left and right subtree, and D is having both left and right subtree. That's why this is a strictly binary tree. And is it an almost complete binary tree? No. Why? So you can observe the nodes at level less than D minus 1, that is level 0 and level 1, they should be having both left and right subtrees or left and right child. A is having, that is left and right child, B is having left and right child, but C is not having left and right child. That's why the second diagram is not an almost complete binary tree. So out of these two diagrams, none of these are almost complete binary trees and both of them are strictly binary trees. Coming to few points you need to remember with respect to strictly binary trees and complete binary trees. If a binary tree contains m nodes at level L, then it contains at most 2m nodes at level L plus 1. So for example, at level 0, you know that how many nodes will be there at level 0? That is only the root node. What is the level number? It is, level number is 0, and how many nodes are there? 1 node. If there is one node at level 0, how many nodes you find at level 1? It is 2 into 1, 2 nodes. At the next level you will find 2 nodes. So since at level 1 there are 2 nodes, in the next level, level 2, how many nodes you will find? It is 2 into 2, it is 4 nodes, etc. Coming to the next point, since binary tree can contain at most one node at level 0, it can contain 2 to the power of L nodes at level L. That means if you know the level number, you can find out the total number of nodes at that particular level. If you know the level, if level is given as 0, 2 to the power of 0 means 1 node at level 0, and if level is given as 3, at level 3 maximum how many nodes you can find? It is 2 to the power of 3, it is 8 nodes, etc. A strictly binary tree with n leaves always contain 2n minus 1 nodes. So please remember this formula. Given with the number of leaves, you can find out the total number of nodes in a strictly binary tree. Formula is 2n minus 1, where n is the number of leaves. You can observe in this diagram how many leaves are there? Totally 5 leaves. So just substitute with that is n here in this formula. 2 into 5 minus 1, the total number of nodes for this diagram, it is 9. You can make a count, totally 9 nodes are there. So given with the number of leaves, you can find total number of nodes in a strictly binary tree. Coming to the total number of nodes in a complete binary tree, just add all the nodes at each of the level, 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 and so on till the depth. Given with the depth for a complete binary tree, just go on adding till the depth all the nodes, that is in powers of 2, you will get the total number of nodes. So if depth is given as 3, 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3, this gives the total number of nodes in a complete binary tree. And you can also use this formula to find out the total number of leaf nodes, non-leaf nodes and total number of nodes in a complete binary tree. The formula is 2 raised to d, where d is the depth of the tree. 2 raised to d leaf nodes, you will find 2 raised to d minus 1 non-leaf nodes, and total number of nodes in a complete binary tree is given by 2 raised to d plus 1 minus 1. So in this example binary tree, the depth is 3. So total number of nodes is 2 raised to d plus 1 minus 1. So 2 raised to 3 plus 1 means 2 raised to 4 minus 1. That means totally 15 nodes are in this complete binary tree of depth 3. So how many leaf nodes are there? 2 to the power of 3 leaf nodes. That means 8 leaf nodes which are at depth 3. You can make a count. And 2 to the power of d minus 1. Here depth is 3. 2 raised to 3 minus 1 non-leaf nodes you are finding. So 2 raised to 3 minus 1 means it is 7. You can observe the non-leaf nodes are 7.